In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb bring out and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb bring out can mean produce or manufacture new products and sell them or put them on the market. Companies bring out new products all the time. Some companies bring out new products because of customer demand. Most car companies are bringing out hybrid and electrical cars to meet customer demand for more eco-friendly transport. Musicians and writers bring out new albums, work, and books. I am working on a new book and hope to bring it out in March. You might hear companies talking about bringing out a product with new or improved features. Samsung is bringing out a new model of their current phone with a 3D camera. To bring out can also mean to reveal or make something show a quality. This is where we get the expression to bring out the best in someone. If you were eating some food, for example, and felt that the flavors complemented each other well, you could say, "The applesauce really brings out the sweetness in the pork." Maybe you have a teacher who is good at revealing positive qualities in their students. That teacher brings out the best in everyone. Perhaps someone in your family always gets on your nerves and causes arguments. My brother always brings out the worst in me. We always argue when we're together. Sometimes items of clothing or colours can complement your appearance or make something about you more apparent. So, if you were wearing a grey coat, for example, and you have red hair, somebody might say, "Your grey coat really brings out the colour of your hair." So, to sum up, the phrasal verb to bring out can mean to produce, manufacture, or publish something new and sell it or put it on the market. So, you can bring out a new book or bring out a product. To reveal or make something show a quality. For example, to bring out the best in someone or to bring out the colour of your eyes. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.